Right, that's us filled up with fuel. So the next stop will be Alex. Today the bike is going for its 600 mile service, which is due in 72 miles. So I think we will trip the mileage and let's go. So £25 worth of fuel, and it was more or less empty, so that's it, filled right up. So that should do it for a good 250, maybe even 300 miles. The service isn't until 5 o'clock tonight, but Alex and I want to get up there a bit sharp to obviously beat the traffic. 0, this is 1 for a radio check. Right, tractor.
That is loud as that helmet.
Well, try saying, give it the command. Heckard, volume up.
Heckard, volume up.
The Queen's Ferry crossing.
The helmet is windy as fuck.
Ah, this one's a wee bit windy as well, eh?
What noise is that?
Aye.
Beat bumps!
Aye, remember where they are this time.
The road, so that's what I'm talking about.
You go to the middle, I'll go to the inside. At least we got the weather for today, eh?
Beautiful, eh?
It's no pissing with rain. That wouldn't have been a fun ride.
To get the bike service today.
Aye, yeah, well, you know, you work in solar, eh? So you know what days it's going to be sunny, eh?
When it's sunny, it makes you money.
Exactly. When it's sunny, it makes you money.
Well, I don't think I bought electricity for over a month.
That's alright, eh?
It's your quick shifter.
Ah, it's good, like.
I only use mine 4, 5, 6.
I only use it now and again, eh? Clutch on this is nice and light anyway. Same with the Honda, eh? That's nice and light. And I don't have a quick shifter on that, and I'm not going to fit a quick shifter to it either, eh?
I don't look very stiff in the back of that, did it?
Nah. Because the Honda's just a commuter now, eh? Just a commuter. It's getting old anyway, the Honda. First MOT this year. Next month, actually. A few weeks, I need to get that booked in.
Sure, I can't fucking hear you.
That's because you're fucking deaf.
Hey,
Aye.
what?
Aye. I want a new helmet as well, eh?
I don't want a new helmet. I'll buy a new helmet.
I want a
can't
new
use
helmet.
this them. Useless.
I said to you last year, poke the fucking speakers out a bit with your padding. Aye, I'll do it, but you've not. And now you're beginning to regret it. With your backup helmet, you can't hear me.
What?
Eh? And this will be Cupar. Not the cat Cupar.
No, I'm driven all the way up here and I'm not using my front brake.
Now, is it broken?
Oh, didn't like it.
I don't think I've used my front brake either. Well, here we are. Cupar Motorcycles. 577. Didn't quite make the 600, but that'll do. I'll just
close as.
Aye, I'm just going to take it right round to the workshop, so. Right, just leave it here. Oh, hello everyone, I'm here. Leave it in gear so it doesn't roll away. Hey. Oh, there's quite a few bikes out here today. Obviously you've taken your helmet off.